How to redirect subdomain to an external URL. Let's learn how to redirect a subdomain. Scroll down to the Domains section and click Redirects. First, we have to select the type of the redirect, keeping this notification written under the Add Redirect heading in mind. Select the subdomain which you want to redirect.
Leave it blank.
Enter the destination URL where you want the visitors to be redirected to.
Scroll down.
The second option, Redirect with or without www. Redirects all the users. Now click the Add button. That's it. Now click the Go Back button. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Notice that the subdomain is now redirected to the entered URL.
Thank you for watching.